Tyre changers have seen many developments in recent years, including developments such as leverless tyre changing or different methods of clamping. But no development has been so underrated, subtle, but important as the Quadraclamp system as featured on the Megaplan 701XL. So what makes the Quadraclamp system different from everything else? Well, traditionally, tyre changers have used two clamping cylinders and then a quadrant plate or star plate system to drive the other two slave jaws. With the Quadraclamp turntable, we use four clamping cylinders, and quite simply, if you asked an engineer today to build a tyre changer to the best possible specification, regardless of cost, inevitably they would use four clamping cylinders. It makes total sense. However, two clamping cylinders is cheaper. By using four clamping cylinders, the first thing we do is eliminate the traditional star plate system under the turntable. Later in life, this star plate can distort or twist, and what happens is the two slave jaws won't be running at the same concentricity as the two main driven jaws, resulting in an ovality effect as the turntable turns. Secondly, when you are handling what we know as reverse rims or upside down rims, where you have to remove and fit the tyre from the back side of the rim, you tend to clamp the rim in the upside down position, and to do that you really need to use plastic jaw covers to protect the face of the rim. However, using these plastic jaw covers on a traditional turntable with two clamping cylinders will often encourage slippage in the jaws. Any tyre fitter listening to me now will relate to this. With the Quadraclamp system, you have twice the pressure. Therefore, when you're handling these types of rims, it's not prone to slippage in the jaws. That's just another feature, but there are lots and lots of benefits. Additionally, we can run this clamping system from 10-inch to as much as 30-inch if we needed to, without the need to make any adjustments to the jaws or go under the turntable and make any adjustments, as you have to on many other systems. Underneath the turntable, we use a material called Arnite from manufacturer DuPont. This replaces the steel used on traditional tyre changer carriages for the jaw slides. This means we don't have the metal-to-metal contact that you have that later in life encourages the wobble that you see on so many tyre changers up the jaw area. The Arnite material is proven to eliminate this type of wear, and therefore, with a Quadraclamp turntable, the life expectancy is much, much higher. So over the life of the machine, you have better performance, you have better reliability. This all relates to cost. So whatever you pay up front, additional, to have the Quadraclamp system on the 701XL is paid for time and time again during the life expectancy of a machine. The difference is with the 701XL, we're building a machine first and foremost to do a job, whereas many other machines on the market are built to a price. The Quadraclamp system is quite simply the best clamping system tyre changers have ever seen.